Hi, I'm Lindsay. Right now I'm getting my house ready to move. We are packing up. We'll be moving here in about 2 weeks. Pardon the bit of a mess, but we've got kiddos, as you can see. It's hard because, you know, without the kiddos, we could have this all packed up and organized, but we've got kids and we're grateful for that, but
So
it does make things hard.
What do the kids think about the move?
They're excited.
And what do they think about the packing?
That they're not excited about. They've been asking a lot of questions. Just this morning, Chloe woke up and said, "Mom, you packed all the toys," because one of our shelves downstairs had a bunch of toys in it and they're gone now, as she noticed this morning. So I think, especially for younger kiddos, she's 3, just helping them understand that they're not getting rid of things. You know,
Right.
We'll see it again, but it might be a while and it's going to look different.
So when do you move?
April the 10th.
And what is left to pack?
So left to pack is major furniture items, obviously, bedding, clothing, and I'm an aspiring Hollywood stuntman in the background.